Over the sun.
Going up on its own, or you doing
I think that's me.
that?
Oh, I don't know yet.
Do
Let's.
the leveling into the wind, though, to see if it's climbing or not. Because you go downwind, that's that wind. Yeah, that's the wind.
Got AS3X, don't you?
Oh, where he can look at that rock. See,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the gust. The gust.
Gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
Is the landing gear down?
Yep.
Yeah.
Whoops.
You know, I thought that was going to be in the grass. You're tricky for that.
I thought that too.
I thought that was grass. That's a Freewing F16, right?
Yep. A little bit of a bounce, but I'll take that one. What do you guys think?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
And this
yeah,
wind
not
and the
for
way it
coverage.
is, shit.
You go around, but you
No,
put some
no.
more throttle on it.
I would, if you hadn't done this when you came around again, I would have said, obviously, I suggest you land now. Well, it's at all anymore, I can't. I do if I'm low.
Yeah.
So,
He does so real well.
oh,
Okay, give me a second.
you land.
Yeah, because the wind is 1 minute. Whoa, see? I'll take
I
that.
took it real well.
Airspeed.
I'm surprised with those little damn wheels.
Airspeed.
I'm surprised. I might take the. Oh no, you know what? Fly straight. Pulling up. That battery don't seem like it's
Might be your battery, yeah, because it seems like.
really. Yeah. That's what bothers me. I ain't turning for what. Wants to go into the wind. Look at that AS3X working. And not to be doing any crazy. What? This thing don't have power.
I think it's your battery.
Yeah, you know, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
You got it. Oh, look at that. That still calls it good.
That was the wind.
Wow. Yep. Jesus.
Airspeed.
Look at that wind. Oh, might be pushing my luck today then.